Just don't let them take your confidence away. Don't allow them to take your confidence away. There are many brokers, good brokers out there. Not these nonsense brokers that are running scams here in South Africa.
Yeah, what's up, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to Vussy Max. You know the vibes. It's your boy in the building. If you're new to the channel, go ahead, like, comment, subscribe in the building. Click the bell notification icon so you don't miss out on any future drops too. You know what I'm saying? So you saw the title of the video. You know what I'm saying? My nigga got terminated from RCG market. So I don't know the backstory of what happened exactly, but so I wanna dive deep and find out exactly what's the backstory behind it, because I don't really know much. You know what I'm saying, and I've also made a video on how to open an account with RCG. So I'm saying I can't not talk about this. I'm talking about this because it's full transparency and stuff like that. So I'm gonna genuinely give my opinion on what I think about this. But it has happened to me before with other brokers and stuff like that. You guys know my past videos. You understand? You've seen how many times the boy has got banned. So yeah, let's check it out.
So guys, these nonsensical South African brokers are nonsense. Nonsense. Look at this thing. Look at this thing.
Oh shit.
Look at this thing.
My nigga is mad. My nigga is big mad. Did you hear the first thing he said? The first thing he said, bruh.
So guys, these nonsensical South African brokers are nonsense. Nonsense. Look at this thing. Look at this thing. Look at...
Yo, one thing about this nigga, straight. He's not gonna try to hide it or what. He's just gonna say his part straight. That's what I like about this nigga. He's actually just a straight talker. So I know he's not gonna leave any stone unturned with this. He's gonna give his raw, unfiltered truth. And whoever takes it the other way must just take it the way it is. But yeah, we're here to give a review, you know what I'm saying, or reaction. Yeah, it's a reaction.
Look at this. Notice of termination of a relationship with RCG markets. What a nonsense. I've worked for these people, guys. I've recommended this broker to so many people. So many people. But look at this nonsense. You can take a screenshot and look at this nonsense. They're saying that they've terminated the relationship. So actually, I will no longer be able to access my profile now.
But why? I'm trying to understand, like, why? Why are they? And yeah, I think he's also an IB with them. So when I was asking him, he said they terminated the trading part. You understand? They were terminated but it still has his IB portal and stuff like that. But it's not he can't trade with them anymore. Why?
Brokers are nonsense, guys. Anyways, we move forward. We move forward. We keep making profits. We keep making profits. We keep making profits. We move forward, guys.
Of course.
We're going to move forward.
Of course.
These nonsensical brokers of South Africa. Nonsense.
Yo, check this out, fam. Listen up, man. Supreme Traders Academy is live right now. You know what I'm saying? Full course and lifetime signals and mentorship is there. It's available. You know what I'm saying? But emphasis on our full course. Listen, the stuff that I know about these markets, I can't teach you guys in 1 day or 2 days. You know what I'm saying? So the content is pre-recorded here. You can watch as many times as you need to until you understand. Also includes lifetime mentorship and signals. So you also get to trade with me and also get to practice the strategy on yourself. Everything is there. You know what I'm saying? So come on, guys. Link is in the bio. If you're trying to join the team, hop on the money train right now. You know what I'm saying? Let's get it.
You know what,
that
guys?
Boy is big mad. That boy is mad.
South Africa. Nonsense. You know what, guys? Be careful when you're trading with a South African broker. Be careful. These are vultures. These are predators. If they are going to take your money, they are going to take your money without question. But if you are going to take money from them, now that becomes a problem. Now,
but you see now, that's the thing also. You understand? This isn't just with just South African brokers the way people make it seem. You understand? This is the issue with any broker. As long as they're a broker, you should never make the mistake of thinking a broker like is there for your best interest, like these are your friends and stuff. The industry isn't like that, you understand? But a lot of people don't know this side because you haven't been profitable yet, you understand? You've been donating to the broker for like your whole trading journey. You've been donating to the broker, so you don't know what happens on the other side. On the other side, now you'll have a strategy that's working. You'll have impeccable risk management and whatever, but still you'll realize that it's not enough if you're with the wrong broker, because you'll realize how easy brokers can ban you. You understand? In his case, I hope as the video goes on, he's gonna tell us exactly what happened, or he's gonna tell us at least what they told him the reason was for him getting banned. Probably he violated something or what, I don't know.
Your relationship with them is terminated. For what? For what? Nonsense. Guys, be careful. These brokers are vultures. They are predators. They only want your money. They only care about taking money from your pocket. They don't want you to take anything from the market. You're not even taking from them. You are taking from the market makers, because they are running a shady business. When you start being profitable, they want to take your rights away.
But you see, that's the thing also. Just because they're broker, it doesn't mean your money is going to the liquidity. If you're making money, it doesn't mean the money is coming from the liquidity provider. Because in some cases, but now I might just get assassinated. You know what I'm saying? If I'm dropping too much information on here. But listen, I'll tell you guys a secret real quick. In some cases, your money doesn't go to the liquidity provider. Unfortunately, we can't know which brokers do this, but some brokers I can't mention. Actually, I can mention. I've done videos exposing other brokers. Just go to those videos, you will see those are the brokers I'm talking about. When you fund your account, your money and you trade, your money doesn't go to the liquidity provider. You're actually trading something like a demo account, but with just a real account verification badge there, so you're thinking you're trading on the real markets. It's just like a simulation kind of, because it's a demo. So when you lose money, because they know 90% of traders are losing money, when you lose your money, it stays there with the broker. You understand? Because you gotta remember, when you fund, when you're funding, your transaction on the banking app is gonna say the money went to a standard bank account or the FNB bank account for whichever broker we are using that's based in SA. You understand? So if your money for some other brokers is going, you're funding to their business account. You understand? So they just keep it there. You think you're trading a real account, you're trading the live markets. You're not trading the live markets. It's a demo account, bruh. So those ones are called Book B brokers. You guys need to look it up. Book B brokers and Book A brokers. It's a different thing. Book A, they send your money to the liquidity provider. You trade the live markets. You understand? Your money that you make, they only take the commission, which is the spread. So the money that you make, when they have to pay you out, it's not coming from their pocket for them to pay you. It's coming from what? It's coming from the liquidity provider. You understand? So you're taking the money that's circulating in the forex market, but other brokers, your money isn't gonna go there. You're gonna trade and then you blow. Since most of the traders are blowing anyways, it's a lucrative business for them to just keep the money in the house, and then you guys will blow, donate the money to the brokers and stuff like that. You understand? I hope you understand.
Come on, guys! Don't be fooled by these South African brokers, especially South African brokers. Nonsensical, nonsense. Be careful, guys. Just don't let them take your confidence away. Don't allow them to take your confidence away. There are many brokers, good brokers out there. Not these nonsense brokers that are running scams here in South Africa. They are just like exactly the same with this nonsense of, mentors. These are driving the lifestyle to you guys, nonsense. Nonsense.
My nigga is bad, bro. My nigga is bad.
Guys, be careful, guys. These brokers and these mentors of yours in South Africa, they are a scam. Big scam.
Yeah, but you see, I feel like the thing is, if you have to push a certain lifestyle to attract clients, it already says what's going on. You understand? It already says what's going on. It already says. If you just like lifestyle, you just post the car and whatever, and then you say, signals, whatever, join, whatever. It's the same thing, Joe. You understand? There are people in this. I'm not saying everyone that is doing that. I'm saying there are legit people who bring value to their services and their clients. You understand? And then there's other people you can just see, guys, come on.
Be careful. Nonsense. I hate these people. They don't want us to, they don't want to see a black person, or rather any person for that nature, succeed in this industry. They don't want to see that happen. They only want those, those boys they keep, promoting in the online space, because they're promoting their brands and whatnot. They want them to succeed.
Hey, You see, this one now, it sounds personal now, this one.
Not us. Not us. Not us. Scam. Fucking scam. Be careful, guys. These nonsensical brokers are going to ruin your trading experience.
Damn.
Shit.
Damn.
Ruin your trading experience. Shit.
Yo, I felt that shit, man. I felt that shit. I want us to read the email, you understand? Wait, yeah, okay. So it says notice of termination letter with relation to RCG Markets. RCG Markets has been decided to exercise its contractual rights to terminate its financial services relationship with you. This letter serves as a notification of such termination in relation to your account. You have 5 working days to close any open positions. New positions are open for the Any funds in the account will be paid back to the account where the funds received. With regarding to operating business on the account, please address your queries to admin. Should you open an account after the date, same will be closed without any further notice. This letter issued to you without prejudice to RCG Markets, and all our rights remain reserved. But they're not saying even why it's happening, because they're just saying what RCG has decided to have an exercise is contractual. Because you understand, when you open an account with any broker, you have to agree with their terms. So that's what they say. Decided to exercise its contractual rights to terminate everyone. It's like they were just bought me and then they were like, okay, this is there's this profile, I terminate. I don't know the backstory, but I think he made money, and then that's when they banned him. You understand? So yeah, family. So boy, Vussy man's back with another one, guys. Back with another one. You guys are showing so much love to the channel. I appreciate you guys. If you're still watching until this far, like, comment, subscribe, click the notification icon if you haven't already. And I'm also asking for 500 likes in this video. Come on, let's get it to 500 likes. I'm gonna drop another banger play. Trust my G. So do what you need to do. I'm gonna do what I have to do on my end, which is drop the content. You do the liking and the sharing. See you guys on the next one. Peace out.